In this video, we are diving deep into an important topic, and that is how to take care of damaged skin due to heat. Heat increases pigmentation severely. It doesn't matter if you're wearing sunscreen or hat, well protected. As long as the internal temperature of the body is activated and there is heat and you're sweating, believe me guys, you will get sunburn and severe pigmentation. I've got you covered with tips and tricks on how to heal your skin, whether it's from sun, hot environment, or kitchen mishap. I rarely see videos on how to take care of damaged skin due to heat. Heat will literally draw the moisture out of your skin. It will cause severe dehydration, irritation, and a lot of things can happen. I was in a new country and I needed to explore the city. In the process of having fun and exploring the city, my skin got damaged, but I'm not gonna trade the experience for anything. I don't know if this can still show on camera. You can see my damaged skin right there. On my back, my whole body, my face was so tan. My body was full of rashes and I was super irritated. My damaged skin was due to heat from hot climate. We were sweating and really hot. What most of us do is we go and turn on the AC. It causes more dehydration and more harm to your skin. AC does, yeah. The dangerous side effect of dehydration due to heat is it makes the skin tight, wrinkly. The skin is not glowing. A lot of things are going on here. Sometimes there is nothing we can do to prevent heat, especially in summer. When your skin is damaged due to heat, you will begin to experience unnecessary sensitivity on your skin. Usually, the skincare product you use every day will begin to sting on your skin. I don't know if you experienced this. I experienced this first time until this day. I changed everything I'm using and I'm using a whole new skincare product because I want to revive and revitalize my skin. It's very important and I want you to try this out as well. Thank you to YesStyle Influencers for making me the newest member of your community. If you're looking for a safe, affordable online store to buy all of your skincare products, Korean beauty skincare products, check out this website. They got it covered on almost all beauty products, especially Korean skincare products. Yes, guys, check it out and let's get started. Use a gentle, not foaming cleanser on your face, guys. And do not be fast to wash off the cleanser from your face. Leave it on for like 1 minute before completely washing it off your face. It gives the cleanser some more time to work and time to be effective on your face. How do you control oily skin in summer? Is by switching your cleansers to low foaming cleanser. It is important. This time you want to avoid over exfoliating your skin. Don't even exfoliate your skin. Don't do that right now. This is Isntree Ultra Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Toner. This is formulated with 14 kinds of hyaluronic acid to retain moisture in skin for a really long time. You can use a cotton pad, but I like to use my hands to warm up my skin. This is not the time to be minimal and this is not the time to play safe. Dab in the toner as much as you can. Drench your skin in hydration. Wow. I feel like I'm drinking water. When the skin is dehydrated, it can lead to damaged moisture barrier. The moisture barrier is supposed to protect our skin, right? And when the moisture barrier is damaged, it makes room for external aggressors to attack our skin. The skin becomes really sensitive and irritated. You have to really cut down on active skincare ingredients. Make your skincare routine as simple as possible and use product that is suitable for sensitive skin. You don't want to cause more damage on that skin. No. The next step is using a vitamin C serum to revitalize, revive, and get that glow back into your skin. So I'll be using the Torriden Cellmazing Vitamin C Brightening Ampoule. This intensive vitamin C ampoule containing 5 types of pure vitamin C that helps to refine saggy pores to improve pigmentation and dark spots. This is weightless, hydrating, and improved texture without greasiness and stickiness on the skin. Use a hydrating vitamin C serum. You don't want to damage the skin even further. Avoid your immediate eye area. Stick to the basics of skincare. This is Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream infused with ingest birch extract and Vita Hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes your skin, Living a healthier skin condition. This moisturizer is enriched with amino acid, minerals, hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin revitalized and well hydrated. That's all we're aiming for right now. This moisturizer is calming and soothing, and it will help to reduce your redness and irritation in less than 3 days. Heat causes capillaries to expand on the skin, and believe me guys, if your skin is well rehydrated, your capillaries will go back to normal. Avoid heat as much as possible because sometimes your capillaries do not go back to being the same. It is completely damaged. When your skin is damaged due to heat, if you have dry skin, your skin will become more dehydrated. And if you have oily skin, your skin will produce more oil. That's because your skin is severely dehydrated. This is from Sun By Me Air Fit Sunscreen. This chemical sunscreen provides broad spectrum sun protection of SPF 50 without leaving a single white cast on your skin. Features soothing and moisturizing ingredients like centella, aesthetica, tea tree leaf, and honeysuckle extract to offer soothing care to your skin. Your sunscreen is an umbrella under an umbrella. It's not time to be minimal, guys. A key takeaway is avoid product that has sulfate and drying alcohol. Please, this product will likely increase oil production on your face, and this can lead to severe dehydration of the skin. When your skin is continually dehydrated in summer and under the heat, what do you expect? Pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. I hope these skincare tips and tricks helps to keep your skin on track. If you do not have this similar product at home or you're waiting for your order to arrive, do not wait, guys. I want you to reach out for your aloe vera gel and start using ASAP because the longer you wait, the more damage you're causing to your skin. Start treating it from this moment. Now, that's the trick. The faster you start, the easier it is to get rid of.